Why would they scream at me?
Everything is fresh, mom seafoods. We have lobsters, crabs, shrimps, and everything is raw.
Look at these shrimp. Those are the biggest shrimp I've ever seen. Thank you.
You want a gay one?
The gay crab? Yeah, sure. I don't care.
Mas mataas kasi sa baba. Dalawang piraso.
Perfect. Thank you. Snails?
Isang kilo to. 150 na, walang bawas. Lumandam na siya. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are at Royal Kitchen Seafood Restaurant in Dampa Seaside Market in Manila. We bought a bunch of food. We got some crab, prawns, the biggest prawns I've ever seen, Mantis Shrimp, or alupihan, as they call it here. We got some snails. What else? I think that's it. And then we ordered some rice. The food looks amazing. It just came out. I got my San Mig Pale Pilsen, and we're gonna eat. So, I'm gonna start it off with some of the Yang Chow fried rice, which I already tasted. It's really good. Fried mud crab, salted egg. So, we'll start with a giant claw. Look at that. It's gonna get messy here today, but that's all right. Wow. This is the first time trying the salted egg crab. It's really good. I've had salted egg chicken wings. Didn't care for them much. Yeah, this is amazing. Pretty happy right now. I wanted to come to Dampa since I've been here. Oh, look at that. All right. This rice is really good too. Yang Chow fried rice with big chunks of shrimp in there, and pork and vegetables. I think we're gonna have leftovers. Look at how full that piece of crab is. It's like, wow. And this is mud crab, right? Yeah, mud crab. They had king crab there too, and spiny lobster, but they were charging some outrageous prices for them. So I don't even know how to attack this thing. I'm not used to crab claws this big. Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, genius. My wife's a genius. We got these snails that are in some kind of coconut sauce with like green onions or something. It's creamy. It's pretty good actually. That one was good. I think the other one that I ate might have been bad. I don't know. That one was pretty good. It's creamy like Alfredo. It's like a, it reminds me of Alfredo, but it's got a coconut hint to it. There's cheese in there or something? No? What do I know? We got some other snails too. What kind are these? Chili black bean, that's what it is. I love black bean sauce. All right. Chili black bean snails. Those look so good. Chili black bean snails, and those were only yeah, $3 US per kilo, which is like, that's pretty cheap, all right? We got 2 like big plates of them. All right, more beer. All right, I gotta do it. This is the craziest prawn I've ever seen in my life. Look at this thing. It's like, what the hell? Look how big that is compared to my hand. I mean, this thing's like the size of a lobster. I'm just gonna get in here and do some damage. All right, I think I did all right on that. Look at that. Could you imagine if you got like a shrimp cocktail, just like 5 or 6 of those, and a big vat of cocktail sauce? I don't know. Wow. How do we get these cooked? Garlic pepper. What do they call it?
It's chili sauce.
I don't know, some kind of chili. There's chilies in there. Can't waste any meat. You got to get all the way down there in the tail because there's like a regular sized shrimp worth of meat at the hidden at the bottom of the tail. All right. There's so much meat on there. Sorry, there's no elegant way to eat this, really. Next up is the Mantis Shrimp, or alupihan as they call it in the Philippines. And as you can see, they have a tail, kind of like a lobster. Yeah, this is the head.
Yeah, they cut it into small pieces.
Well, you can't see it because they chopped it up, but they have like these mantis-like arms that punch or flick things, and they can do some damage. That's why they grow them inside of those plastic bottles. Anyways, we got them fried, salt and pepper fried. You can see it's weird. The meat looks like, it's like lobster mixed with shrimp. Look at that. Oh wow, that is super good. It's got a texture like, it's like lobster, crab, shrimp. It's kind of sweet like lobster. That's really good. Wow. The shell's good too, actually. Wow. I really like this. The shell's kind of like, it's like a soft shell crab, but with lobster meat on the inside. All right. Last but not least, the last thing I'm going to try is Szechuan Crab. Oh. Yeah, I need some of that inside part. Oh man, that is so good. All right, we're gonna go with, I'll grab like a cluster this time because I did the claw of the other one. All right, so they put like it's a spicy fairly spicy. I can taste it. It's got a kick. Sauce on it. Oh wow. This is my favorite by far. I'm glad I said that fast. This is
Good.
exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, it's spicy. It's like got a little bit of that creep spice too. It's getting a little hotter as I eat it, which is good. I like it. It's like slightly sweet. I just got to get in there. Oh my god. This is some of the best crab I've ever eaten. That Szechuan sauce. All right. Let me like grab my beer with a nap in here. I am just all sorts of messy. There we go. Oh man. I'm in heaven right now. It's perfect. I don't know what else to say about this crab other than it's delicious.
It's phenomenal.
It's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Would you just look at that? Makes me happy. Where's that sauce at? I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. Get it all messy. This part right here. Oh, so this is like the mustard. Yeah, let me hold it up. Sorry, my fingers are disgusting. But look at that. It's the crab guts, the good part. Yeah, the inside part. Wow. I just keep saying wow. So good. It's super rich. That was really good. All right, so I just got back from the bathroom. I would rate it a solid 3.5 out of 5. It was clean. There's toilet paper in there, running water, no soap, but there was a sink right outside the bathroom that had soap. And it's really hard to find paper towels around here. I know it's bad for the environment or whatever, but at least have a hand dryer. They always give you like toilet paper to dry your hands with. And toilet paper is kind of like, especially the cheap toilet paper. Actually, they had some decent stuff over there, but it falls apart when you try to dry your hands. So yeah, 3.5 out of 5. Pretty clean. A lot cleaner than some of the bathrooms that I've seen since I've been here, but cost us about, I had what, 4 beers, 4 of these, and the wife had an iced tea, and we ordered yangcha fried rice, and then to cook everything, and it was how many pesos? 2,800 pesos, which is right around $50 US. So add that to the $93 that we spent at the actual market buying the seafood. So it's like 150 bucks for one of the better meals that I've had like ever. And they charge you for takeout containers. I get it. It's like 30 cents a piece. That was also in that price. And we have a ton of leftovers. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. Outcome here. Royal Kitchen Seafood Restaurant. Check it out. Pretty good. All right. Cheers.